Join me as I make a Mexican-style dinner. I first began making the guacamole. I use cilantro, tomatoes, onion, and garlic. I chop them all up and then put them in small bowls and set them aside. I then did my favorite part and scooped out the avocado.
The avocado!
I also added in my garlic and cilantro. I also added in vinegar because I didn't have lemon. And there you go. This is my recipe I use for guacamole. Now moving on to the chicken. So we season the chicken ahead of time with some taco seasoning as well as salt and pepper and pepper flakes. And also my favorite, garlic. I put garlic on everything. Here is the Instant Pot. We just put some olive oil inside and put the chicken inside to cook. Then we shredded the chicken for the chicken tacos. And then we fried our tortilla shells and made my favorite taco shells. Give this a try. Here I am assembling my taco. I used the cheese and we also put some cilantro and tomato in the shredded chicken meat, which was delicious. I highly recommend that you guys try this recipe out. So I'm just loading that up. I put some sour cream and cilantro on top. There's the guacamole and my favorite cafe style corn chips. I really hope you guys like this video. Also try out the recipe and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.